Ooh. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. You've got a hair on your nose. Good morning, you guys. I have decided that I'm going to vlog today. I don't really have a very busy day planned. It's just that I thought I would take you guys along with me in my typical ISO day. I've been in isolation for like 6 weeks now. I've barely left the house. If I have, it's only to go to Harry and my place to check on the renovations, or to like run into work to grab something. I'm working from home for the most part. So yeah, I just thought I'd take you guys along today. I've got a few things that I need to do which might be a little bit interesting, and I thought I would update you guys on the house as well, because we have had a bit of a delay in the renovations, but it is very different to the last time you saw it. So yeah. Mum has just gone up the road to get some breakfast because we are continuing to support our local cafe, which is normally very busy. Good morning. You come to say hello, Bailey. Hello, buddy. So we might be going for a little bit of a walk later as well.
We're definitely going for a walk. I need to get my legs going.
Yeah, we tend to take Zara for a walk every weekend. So we might do that. It doesn't look like it's going to rain, which is good. I thought it might. But we also need to go to the shops.
Need to do some shopping.
So brave, going to the shops.
We
need to get your lunches for the week. And for some reason, Harry and I have been really craving pie. So we thought we might try and make an apple pie. Would you like an apple pie?
I like apple pie, yeah.
Yeah, Dad likes
apple
apple
pie. There's some cream around.
Yep, we'll get you cream. We'll make apple pie.
Apple pie without cream on. So.
No.
Right, let's have a look here and see what we got.
What do we have? Excuse me, this is not mine. You've marked it with your lipstick.
Yeah, which is good.
Excuse me.
Where's the plate?
How big this cube is.
Who's hogging all the plates?
This is the best mayonnaise in my opinion. Oh, sorry, I had all the plates.
Yes, we noticed.
Sorry. What are you doing?
You've got one.
At the moment. Won't be tomorrow. It's going to be 19. Might be inside.
Might get some Vegemite. Is there something that you want?
That'll be good.
Do you like Vegemite toast? Okay, so Haz and I what?
Way!
Why are we weird? Haz and I are heading up to the house because we have to drop off these planks. They're flooring, some vinyl flooring that we need to drop off, and then we're gonna go to Woolies because we gotta get some stuff so you guys can see the house.
Yes, let's go.
Our lounge room is full of appliances and a bit of mess. Zara was sitting there the other day. That's why her blanket is there. So we actually had a tree removed from the yard. Well, actually it was not even our tree. It was our neighbour's tree, which was destroying our fence.
Hashtag sorry not sorry Greenpeace.
It was destroying our fence despite the neighbour trying to tell us that we just wanted more light. It really had nothing to do with that. I just didn't want our fence to break. When I show you the fence, maybe you'll see where we're coming from. Honestly, you guys, we are so excited to move in here and we freaking love it here, but our neighbours. So there was a tree here. So you've got to tell me that the rest of the fence seems, I mean, it is falling as well because the whole thing was being pushed on, but like, this seems okay. That's the only part that's damaged. But like, you have to see our point. Like, this fence, honestly,
Bruh.
it's broken because there was a huge tree here. We also cleared out all of this. We had a tree here, so we're gonna make this like a little barbecue area. This was also covered in vines, which we didn't want. So this is gonna be kind of like Zara's little area. Whenever we leave the house, we can pop her in here and it's all enclosed, so safe for her. We're gonna get rid of these pots. My brother's actually taking these And we're gonna have a little veggie garden here, which is exciting, isn't it? How's this?
It's ready, steady, cook! Come on in, guys, welcome! This is where our dishwasher's going to go. Oopsie, dude.
I swear, you guys probably think Harry just does this. This is him. This is not him playing up for the camera. This is everyday life with Harry. So yeah, as you can see, the shell of our kitchen's kind of done. We don't have bench tops or anything in, but all of our storage is good to go.
We're going for the open look where everything is just visually on show.
We're not, we're really not. We've ordered the sort of finishings that we want and stuff, and the cupboard doors and things are getting built. And we're just waiting for our stone top to come in as well. But yeah, you guys might notice there's new flooring, which is just what we dropped off before as well, some spares.
Some tinglings.
How much nicer does this floor look? I love. This is the one that we got, just in case any of you are interested. And it's super easy. It's just kind of like clicks into it. It's like a faux timber flooring. Be much easier to clean and stuff, and you can mop it and all that fun stuff too. So yeah, this wall is gone. Makes it so much brighter in here too. Not quite this time of day, but you get a lot more sunlight in. And yeah, so much more open. Means that I can like be cooking, and then people can be in the dining room eating, and I can still have a good old chat. Laundry also looks very different again. We haven't got the bench top yet, the sink obviously, but the cupboards are done, and new tiles. I don't know if you guys remember what this looked like before. We have had a few delays with the house because of coronavirus, which is a bit annoying.
What's that?
Guys.
Oh yeah, Harry got a clock from IKEA.
If any of you know what this is, yeah,
Fresh.
you know what that is.
I will show you guys quickly because you will see it on the final reveal of the house tour. But this has got to be my favorite spot in the house, and I feel like it's going to be where everyone comes and gets selfies whenever we have people over. Just seems like an ordinary bathroom, but no, it is a very cute pink selfie moment.
This is our little cozy pink homey hole where we just come to feel good because we love pink.
There's like a pink background, and the ring light just kind of makes everything look good.
Especially when you got glasses on, it's like, I feel like I'm in a music video clip, it's like, wow.
Something else you guys may notice, the lights all match now. We have down lights, we have oyster lights. They are all the same. They are not wooden. That's what you call them.
Really?
Yes.
Rolex.
They're all the same.
Even though you're actually
It's gonna be me. Be like, how's the dinner Saturday? And be like, and you sit up here with our nice stools on the bench. It's gonna be a waterfall bench top. I'm so excited. Let's go to Woolies.
We'll feel it.
No, you want? Neither. You want neither.
Neither.
You want? Yeah.
So I think you got that one or three minutes, that one or three minutes.
Yeah. Oh my freaking god. What the hell? Woolworths was so busy. You would not think it was COVID. Like, what the heck? There were so many people. Harry ended up rage quitting and I was just like, I've had enough, let's leave. We haven't even got everything we need. So we're gonna have to go back, but whatever. Okay, so House and I have been craving pie since last night. I don't know why. I was watching Bon Appetit on YouTube and they were making Thanksgiving pie and I love apple crumble, so that's what we're gonna make. I went out and got some apples. So we got Granny Smith apples. Harry likes the green ones. I got some rolled oats. This will be for the crumble bit on top. I also got Arnott's Scotch fingers. The reason I got these is because if you crumble these up, it is like the best on apple crumble. It's just a bit of a cheats way. It just means you don't have to create so much of your own crumble. With that being said, I have actually never made this before, so I'm just gonna look at this recipe and hopefully, fingers crossed, it turns out okay. Big ass bowl. I don't really want to peel these because it's such a mission, but I'm gonna have to. Maybe I'll get Harry to do it. Yeah, I'm gonna get Harry to do it. About half a cup of rolled oats. Doesn't have to be exact. About half a cup rolled oats. This is actually so fun. You could also like smash these in a Glad bag, but I don't have time for that. Plus this is way more fun. Would you like to peel and slice the apple?
What is apple?
The apple.
Oh, the nectarines, sure.
Papa.
Good. We're gonna make and bake a cake, a carrot cake.
We have the apples. I'm gonna put the crumb on top now. It smells.
Crumb de la creme.
If I could think of like the yummiest smelling, oh my god, it's just so good. It's like butter, cookies, cinnamon. So good. Oh yeah. These big biscuity bits is like my favorite part. I'm not sure about the pie crust, but we shall see. These look bloody fantastic. The pies, they look so good. We are about to watch a movie and my camera died, so I'm filming this on my iPhone. We're about to watch a movie and we're gonna have some apple crumble. We're so excited, aren't we, Bales? Oh my god, you're so cute.
Yum.
The pie is apparently very good.
Yum.
Mum loved it. And she doesn't even eat pie.
No, I don't, but it's good.
This is my first bite.
Look at it. It's just
yum.
sensational.
It's so good.
It is.
It's not too sweet.
No, not too sweet at all.
Oh my god, yum. So good. Alrighty, you guys. We're gonna go to bed. Thanks for watching this vlog. I hope it was interesting. And I'll check in with you guys soon.